We're continuing to learn about how to make nouns plural. It's not as straightforward in German as it is in English. There are several different patterns for making nouns plural. So in previous lessons, you learned the first pattern. You simply change the article to die and you don't do anything to the noun. So das Fenster, the window, becomes die Fenster. In the second pattern, you add an e or an umlaut and an e. So der Freund, the friend, became die Freunde. Der Stuhl becomes die Stühle. In the third pattern, you add an ER or an umlaut and then ER. Das Kind becomes die Kinder, that's just adding the ER. Der Mann becomes die Männer, so that's adding the umlaut and the ER. In this lesson, we are going to learn the fourth pattern where you add an N, an EN, or an NEN. So let's look at some examples. The boy, der Junge, the boy. If you want to say the boys, you simply add an N. Die Jungen. Der Junge, die Jungen. Der Junge, die Jungen. The woman, die Frau. This is the case where you add an EN. Die Frau becomes die Frauen. Die Frau, the woman, die Frauen. Die Frau, die Frauen. So we're adding an EN. In the case of die Freundin, a female friend, you add an NIN. So the friends, die Freundinnen, die Freundinnen, die Freundin, die Freundinnen. Okay, so remember, for the fourth pattern, you simply add an N, an EN, or an NEN. Der Junge, die Jungen, die Frau, die Frauen, die Freundin, die Freundinnen. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.